before Birdsong, before the mirror in the sea loses its glassy gray stare and changes into an acceptable blue. Before even the mosquitos start their stirring and singing, there's a breath of time, sweet and quietly sitting in the corner of a dark room, waiting for you to wake from sleep and beckon it out for play, for communion, for sustenance. A rare quiet that is neither forbidding nor sad, just the invitation that you truly see. Who you are within. When time feels stopped, when there is only the blood pulsing in your chest, your life distilled. Unveiled and supple in your creative hands to write your story. And here is one, black goddess, my free form, locks, wild and out, thick and swirling. My face, bare and gorgeous, radiating cat-like mystery, a woman's knowing. But it is beyond any style signature. It is my frequency, a choice in itself of soft power, radiant and truth-telling. This is my preferred speech. And I may be more often quiet, but my energy speaks. It speaks boldly of sensuality, of femininity, calm, of such beauty, and yes, of love itself. Thank you for watching. I'm really excited to share with you that my guided meditations are now available for purchase. Check out the link in the description box below. Much love to you wherever in the world you are. Take care.